Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So here I am back again with another video, and this time the video is on the importance of sketching. So first let us know what is sketching. Well, sketching is something that we do very rapidly and is executed by a freehand drawing which is not intended to be finished. Well, it can be anything that the artist sees, any idea, or anything that we draw from a live model. Sketching should be your daily routine if you really want to improve your drawing skills. As sketching is just like a warm-up for your hands. And by practicing it daily, you can definitely realize that there is a lot of improvement in your work. And you will also feel the power in your pencil. After knowing everything, we do some mistakes while sketching. Do you know what are those? Well, if you don't, then I am here to help. So here are the things to keep in mind while sketching. So the first thing is avoid detailing when you are sketching live. It is a mistake that we always do, that we start to detail. Well, detail is not a part of sketching, so don't do it. Your only focus should be on the hand positions, on the posture, on the body position. Also give a focus on lines. Lines are always a major part in sketching. The next thing is trying to sketch in minimum time. If you are a beginner and you have just started sketching, try not to take more time in one single sketch. Your sketch should be completed within 1 to 2 minutes. This will help you speed up your sketching. And slowly and gradually, with daily practice, you will realize that you are able to complete your sketching in hardly 30 to 40 seconds. That is what sketching improves. Also remember that you should never take a eraser while you go for sketching, because when you have a eraser in your mind, you have an idea that if you will make any mistake, it will be corrected. When you sketch regularly, you will also find yourself interested in sketching. Yes, and this will also help you to sketch more and more, which will ultimately improve your drawing a lot. Also help you in involving some of the other ideas that you have in your mind, and you can sketch them out. The last thing that is to be kept in mind is never ever take sketching as a burden. Sketching has been a part of fine art study since a very early time, and what students do is take it as a burden because there is certain marks prescribed to it. That's why sketching is always advised to be done on a regular basis. It will be reflected on your drawing sooner or later if you do it continuously without any break. I would like to end this video with my experience of sketching. Really friends, sketching helps a lot when you do it on a regular basis. I have felt that my drawing has improved a lot in these years when I have shifted completely to regularly sketching. Really friends, this is going to help you a lot if you do it regularly. So what's next? Just go on and make a schedule, do sketching regularly, and that's it. I hope that this video will help you motivate to do more and more sketching. If you like the video, please comment, like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thank you folks. Thank you for watching.